Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Wednesday small YouTuber support. Today's video is going to be like a wrap-up because if you watch, I started this series from the first Wednesday of September and it ran through, did I say September? I started this series from the first Wednesday of January, so this is going to be the last Wednesday, so this is a wrap-up. So for the bonus of today's video is going to be how I show you guys how to move your channel from a personal account to a brand account. So please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Just click that red button that says subscribe and then turn on the post notification, which is the bell icon that is close to the subscribe button, and then you like the video, share it to as many persons, as many group, and leave a relatable comment in the comments section. That's all it takes. Like I said, today is a bonus for you guys. I'll be telling you people how to move your YouTube channel from a personal account to a brand account. By personal account, I'm going to tell you the meaning or what it means to have a personal account, and then the benefit or the other side of a personal account. So a personal account is like an account what you open with your Gmail account, and you just use that Gmail account to create a YouTube channel, and it goes on like that. You run your channel by yourself. Even if you have 1 million subscribers, you run it by yourself. You do everything by yourself. And even other top YouTubers, other people that have gone far on YouTube, that have done this topic I'm doing right now, they will always advise me. I'm also advising, if you are a small YouTuber starting up, it's good for you to move your account from a personal account to a brand account. Now that you're not yet big, you're starting up, you've not had a lot of subscribers, you're just starting up, so it's best to move your account from a personal account to a brand account now. So when you create the channel with your Gmail account, you just start. So you running your affairs and doing everything by yourself, that's a personal account, because you run it by yourself. Even if somebody has to work for you, you have to give the person your Gmail account and your password to either put a cover, a channel banner, or a channel display picture for you. But in brand account is not the same like that. It's almost the same, but there's a slight difference. Why did I say so? Brand account is an account that you create using your personal account. You use your personal account to move it over to a brand account. That brand account, the benefit of having a brand account is that you can get so many persons to do some jobs for you. We are growing. At some point we'll get to 1 million subscribers, we'll get to 5,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers. So at that point, my brother or my sister, you get, how will I put it, it's not easy to run the account at that point. So you need people that will reply to your comments. You need people that will upload your channel banner sometimes. You need people that will even maybe check your analysis and check your channel watch time or anything. You need people working for you. So that is why it's good to move your channel from a personal account to a brand account at an early stage, so that you'll be able to keep up with it. So when you move your channel from a personal account to brand account, you can have people working for you. You can invite somebody. So brand account, now you don't have to give somebody your Gmail account, your address, or a password to your Gmail account, because giving them your password and your email address is like exposing yourself to the world. So brand account enables you to invite the person using his or her email address. So when you go to that place, I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial on how to do it, because I'll not just explain without showing you how to. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, because my account is a brand account. I moved my account from a personal account to a brand account. So this account you're seeing now, this channel you're seeing now, is running on a brand account. So if you want to make somebody work for you, maybe you see somebody that, yes, you like the person's way of doing a particular design, and you want the person to do that also in your channel, you just ask the person for his or her Gmail account, and then you include it. You include the person as one of your manager or your communications manager or any other thing, and then you invite the person. So when you invite the person comes over to your channel. The person now works for you. The person can access your channel and do so many things for you, but the person does not have access to your Gmail account and your password. So the person only works for you in your YouTube channel. So that's one of the benefits. And you can have not just the person, you can have so many persons working for you, or 2, 3, 4 persons working for you. So that's how it's done. So that's the benefit of brand account. Note, the only thing that some persons might not like, but me, I don't see it as anything about a brand account, is that if you move from a personal account to a brand account, you're going to lose the comments you made on people's video. Like, how will I put it? If somebody comments on your video and you reply to the person telling the person thanks for watching, that comment you said thanks for watching, you are going to lose it, which means you will not see any of your comments you sent out. But those people's comments, you will see them, but your own comment that you sent out, you are going to lose them. So that's it. And if you already have a what are they calling this, the custom URL, you can also reclaim it after some days. Like my own, I had this normal channel custom URL. So when I moved from a personal account to a brand account, YouTube gave me another main custom URL that has my name. You know, this our custom URL has this kind of plenty write-ups and the rest. So if you go to my description box, that particular place that you said please subscribe to my channel, that is the custom URL that YouTube made for me, or that I claimed after I moved from a personal account to a brand account. That is why my own is looking different from the normal this thing that other channels have. So guys, without further ado, let's move over to the tutorial so that you understand what I said, or what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Please stay tuned till the end of that tutorial because you're going to find it helpful. So guys, I opened the Google Chrome and I went over to my channel and I click on that YouTube settings there. That led me to this interface you guys can see over here. Then I'm going to go to create a new channel, which is what I clicked on right now, and it brought me to this place that says to create a new channel, create a brand account, because I already have a YouTube channel. So I'll just click on brand account name. So right now I'm typing my brand account name. You can make it a little bit different so that it will not be confusing to you. Then after writing, I click on create. So it takes me over to the next page. So guys, when it finishes loading up, it brings me to this my YouTube Studio app. I will still click on that YouTube settings, and when it opens up to take me back to that same interface we started, now I'll be clicking on advanced settings, which is that one over there, and it will take me to a new page entirely. So over there you can see move channel to brand account. That's the button I'm going to click on. So I'll click on move channel to brand account and we'll move over to the next page where you type in your password. I covered it up because I don't want you guys to see. So when it opens up, you type in your password that will lead you just like a permission for them to move your account to a brand account. They are seeking your permission to do that. So after that, you click on next, then it will take you to a new page as well. So guys, it's trying to boot, and then it takes us to this page you guys can see where they say move YouTube channel. So over there we have my channel now and my channel after move. So this is what your channel will look like after you move, and then down there you see the brand account name that we created at the beginning. So what we're going to do now is to click on that brand account name. That's the place, that's the particular place we'll click on, the brand account name. You will click on that box there, then it will bring you to this interface that says, that shows you everything about that account and everything that the account has now. But right now it's on 0 subscribers and 0 playlists. Everything is 0 because it's still a new brand account. So we are going to click on delete channel. That's what we'll click. You're clicking on delete channel does not mean you're deleting your channel. You don't have to get scared about it, but that's how it's done. You have to click on delete channel. So when you click on delete channel, is going to bring you over to a new interface, which is this one. So you see my channel now, my channel after move. So you can see now that before it was 0 subscribers. Now they're trying to tell you that your channel will have this is how your channel will look like, which is 1 subscribers, no video, no playlist. So they are trying to show you how it will look like after you move it. So we are good because they've transferred our subscribers to us. So we click on move channel and it will bring us to this interface, showing you this is the before and the after. The one with the black sign is the after. So you click on move channel. That's what you're going to click on. So when you click on move channel, you're going to see your account has been moved successfully. Your YouTube account has moved successfully. But if you watch underneath, they said it may take up to 10 minutes for updates to your account to be complete. So you just have to be patient. So after some time, after that, I went over to my Google Chrome and then to my YouTube channel. And then if you can see, guys, you see that Victoria 01 subscriber, it means they've updated my channel. That's why the 1 subscriber is showing, because that's my brand account. So I'll still click on YouTube settings again, and it will take me over to that same interface to start off. You see my picture is not there because that is the brand account. I've not attached any picture to it. So like I said at the beginning, brand account enable you to have so many persons working for you, because as time goes on, we are growing. So you're going to click on add or remove manager to add people that work under you as time goes on. As you grow, you click on that add manager to bring us up to this place, which you can see the brand account details. So I'm going to click on manage permissions. That is where you add your communication manager, your manager, different kind of persons you want to work for you, because as time goes on, we're growing, so we cannot do everything by ourselves. So guys, you can see my name. That primary owner means I'm the owner of the channel. So I'll click on that plus button and then it will bring us over to this add new user. So here you type in the email address of the person you want to be a manager or anything, and then you choose a role, which is the one under. You click on that triangle button that is facing down, then you can see choose a role. You see owner, manager, communications manager. So I'm going to click on communications manager because that's the person I want to work for me. So after clicking on, you click on invite and it sends a mail to the person you want to be your communication manager, and that's all it takes to make people work under your channel. You don't have to give them your email account to work. Just include them as one of your manager or communication manager, and that's all it takes to make people work for you. So that's all it takes. I feel I've talked too much in this video, but it's a wrap up of my series of Wednesdays more YouTuber support, so I need to give you people extra dose. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. All you need to do is click the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, the bell icon that is close to the subscribe button, and like the video, share, leave relatable comments. And please, support is one thing that will keep us going on this platform. This is the last series and I would love you guys to keep supporting each other. If you see somebody's video, you watch, support the person. If you see a new YouTuber, watch and support the person. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed. Love you.